Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so pumped for today's Walmart unboxing. So most of this haul is going to be summer focused because I'm headed out of town next week and I'm so excited to put together some awesome affordable vacation looks. So if you are interested in that video, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I will show these items again. But I really like doing these unboxings, one, because Walmart is selling out so quickly this time of year. And I want to give you this information as quickly as I can and also just give you guys my first impressions of this order. So as always, I'm going to have everything listed below in the description box. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I have some bags in front of me first, which is what I'm going to start with. Ooh, I'm so excited. So one of my favorite all-time items that I have ever shown from Walmart is the Time and True denim jacket. I think I have it in every wash you can buy it. And I saw that they did have a white version. They might have had one of these in the past, but I just didn't snag it in time. But it has the same awesome stretch that the traditional blue ones have. And I did get this one in my normal size medium. I find that the Time and True denim jackets do fit true to size. So if you want it to be a little more cropped, I would size one down. If you want it to be oversized, go up a size or two. I feel like I have these jackets in everything from a small to an extra large. And this is a pretty bright white, by the way, and I believe this is around 20 bucks. It's a really good deal for the quality. So in here, I have some jewelry finds from Scoop. I saw they launched a lot of really fun summery pieces. So I did pick up this necklace set that has gold as well as colored beads. And then the rest of these, I believe, are anklets. And I love a good anklet in the summertime. The sets as well as this one-off right here are all $15. Ooh, I'm really excited about these. So I did show these over on my community tab. If you guys didn't know, pretty much every day we share on the community tab here on YouTube restock alerts, new finds that we're ordering, all of the things. It pretty much gets posted there first. So be sure you're checking those out. And actually, I posted these from Scoop. They are kind of have a Birkenstock look. And someone commented that they look exactly like a pair from 9 West. For a fraction of the price. They are hot pink with almost a watercolor type floral print to them. They are really, really pretty. And I did get these in my normal size 9. I have on a heel, so I'm about to be a lot shorter, but I'm gonna throw these on and see how they fit. So I got these in a 9, which is my normal size. They're a little bit big, but I don't mind that because especially a water shoe, I don't wanna feel like it's too small. I think it's a really fun summery buy, and these were 24. So I feel like I say this in almost all my videos, but I love a good wide leg pant. So I did order this new pair from Scoop. It does have pockets. It has a very linen-like look to it, an elasticized waist. These type of pants with anything from tank top, bodysuit, swimsuit are what I normally wear all summer long. In addition to black, I want to say these also came in a red as well as a green. And I also picked up this linen blend Scoop blazer. This blazer is gorgeous. Now I did size up to a large because I was looking for something a bit more oversized. So hopefully it's not too big, but it does have little shoulder pads as well as an attached fabric belt. So you can either tie this in the back like how it came, or you can pull it around and cinch your waist with it. I loved this in white, but I was super tempted to get it in red. It looks so pretty, and the red and the black do also have a matching short. Oh, wow, you guys, this is so much bigger than I thought it would be. So I did order this from No Boundaries, and it's this little beaded crossbody. So I did get it in this solid pink, but it came in a couple of other solids as well as a multicolor that would probably go with any of your fun summer looks. But the main test is, will it fit my cell phone? And the answer is yes. I do have the larger iPhone. It fits. I will say nothing else could probably fit in here with it because of the size of the beads. But I think this is a really fun little single-use cell phone holder bag that just looks awesome for summer. I mean, so far this little $15 item has been my favorite. I think that is so fun from Walmart. So my mom was actually looking over my order and she saw that I ordered this high neck Time and True tank top, and she reminded me that this was our favorite from a couple of years ago, but they didn't bring it back. So she was super excited. This one I believe is $8. I did get it in my normal size medium. It does have a high neck similar to the Target ones that I also love. I think they're actually the same price, so I will link those below. This one, just feeling it, is a little bit softer than my Target one, and how the old one used to be is that it was fitted up top and not as much on the bottom. So just looking at it, that's how I'm assuming this one is going to fit as well. But honestly, you can never have too many tank tops in the summer. At least here in Texas, they are a major staple. Ooh, it looks like we got some shoes in here. I had to finally get my hands on these. I tried all last year and they sold out too quickly. And actually they've already sold out once this year, but they are back in stock. At least they are at the time of me filming this video. These are from Time and True, so they do have that awesome memory foam footbed that Time and True is known for. I love that they're this nude color. This is gonna make my legs look so much longer than they actually are, and I want to say this was under 10 bucks. Y'all, ooh! Y'all, this bag is gorgeous. So it comes in a ton of other colors. I had the hardest time deciding, so I did go with this black, brown, neutral, but this is also from Time and True. It does look like it has a snap closure. You have one large open compartment. There's a zipper on one side as well as 2 slots on the other. And of course, I love this tassel detail with the seashells, and it does have a little metal plate on it that says Bon Voyage. It looks very designer. I might have to pick it up in another color as well, but you guys are not gonna regret picking up this tote. This is also a fantastic size too, might I add. So this is another item that I've shared over on the community tab, and it's actually from No Boundaries. I've talked about the crochet granny square trend a lot this year. It's really popular, and I think this is a very pretty wearable way to rock the trend. It looks like this item must have been group sizing. I don't really remember that, but this I did get in a large, extra large. No Boundaries is a juniors brand, so I would consider it sizing at least one up. And I did get it in the blue version, but if I remember correctly, this came in a couple of different color options online. And this would make a great swimsuit cover up, or I'm probably gonna wear it with some light wash shorts and just a white tank top. I think this is a little kimono cover up that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this summer. All right, this looks like another pair of shoes. These are from Madden NYC. I honestly have zero recollection of what this pair could be. Are you guys ever like that when you get in packages, you're like, I don't even remember. I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh, okay, so I haven't seen these in stores yet. I've only seen them online, but they do look like Crocs, but they have this really awesome chain detail. They are so fun. These were $16. Just looking at these, I'm not gonna lie, they look really small. Oh, they're a 6. Oh no, was that me? I guess I ordered these in a 6. No wonder they look small. Okay, well, I will be placing another order for 9, so stay tuned. But this is a really fun little summer style for only 16 bucks. So it has actually been the bane of my existence to find a pair of affordable white jeans. I don't remember Walmart having a pair last year, so when I saw these from Scoop, I jumped on them. I did get these in a size 10. They're a white wide leg crop jean. They looked absolutely adorable on the model, and they were 26 bucks, so I cannot wait to style these. For me personally, in the spring and summer months, a white jean is a must-have. I also have really high hopes for these because I believe I also ordered them in a light wash. But y'all know me, I love a good crop pair of jeans. So another Sam and Libby find is this pink thong flip-flop, which just came in several other awesome colors for spring and summer. I had a hard time deciding, but I didn't have anything else in this color, so that's why I went with that. It does have this knotted design detail on the strap, as well as these are a square toe style. So I will throw these on and also tell you guys what I think. So my normal size 9 worked just fine on these. Actually, for a sandal, I feel like they have a nice wider footbed. So for me personally, having a wider foot, I think this footbed is really flattering. Okay, this is actually a clearance item from last year that I almost bought towards the end of the season, and then I was like, oh, I wouldn't wear it till next year, and they still have it in stock. It is on clearance for $8. It is this Scoop belt bag in a very trendy neon green snakeskin. I love this. I'm sure the original intention is not to use this at the beach or the pool, but for only $8, I think I might even pair this with just a black swimsuit. It is gorgeous. You do have this little toggle to get in and out of it, and this is a decent size. It can easily hold my cell phone. I do have the larger iPhone, and the normal price on this is $20, so right now it's a little more than half off. So if you've seen my other styling videos, you've probably heard me bragging on that awesome Scoop Maxi skirt. I've been wearing that skirt nonstop, and so has my mom. So when I saw that Time and True released this crochet version, I had to order it. It's white, which I was a little nervous about, but it does have an inside lining, so I think it's gonna be totally fine. And the lining does stop at the crochet, so this part of the skirt is see-through. And I did get this in my normal size medium. And since this does have an elasticized waist, but only in the back, the front is gonna lay nicely if you wanna dress this one up a little bit more. Or you could definitely just throw it on with a tank top and a pair of flip-flops. I did get that skirt in my normal size medium. Now, I'm not sure if this next dress is gonna work for me for pre-assembly, but I loved the color on it. It is a lightweight sweater material, so more of a summer sweater. I did get this in my medium. I also love the high neck on this. The fabric has a really nice stretch to it, and just looking at the neckline, I might be able to get away with this with a racer back bra. If not, I might have to wear a strapless bra with this, but I'm seeing this style with some natural accessories for a fun summer look, so I really hope this one fits. Oh, y'all, this next item, I feel like I'm really embracing summer, and I ordered a good amount of color. So I did go with this in hot pink, but this came in a lot of color options, And Time and True is calling this a sweater tank. I think it definitely has more of a crochet vibe to it than a sweater, but it does have a V neckline on it. It does have a full back, so I should be able to wear this with a normal bra. And it does have this kind of crochet detail, so it is going to be a little see-through in parts. So I might just wear this with a nude bra or even wear a tank top underneath it. So if you didn't know, Sofia Vergara, her line at Walmart also has activewear. So I did order this workout tank. It does ruche on the side and have this little tie so you can control how cropped or long it is. I just wanted to test it out and see if I liked it. It does look like this one is the color purple, but I remember this coming in a lot of fun color options. I did size up to a large in this, and also I'm not sure if she still sells them. I don't think I ever put it in a video, but I love her wide leg yoga pants also from her line. Highly recommend. So I also ordered this little peplum top from Sofia. It does have, it looks like tie straps. The back on this is also elastic, so I think a medium should work. It is definitely a crop style, so I'm planning on wearing this with some high-waisted pants. I did go with black, but I remember this top coming in several other colors. Another awesome crochet find is this top from Free Assembly. So it is a square neck style. It's kind of half crochet, half summer sweater. I loved it in this color, and I did get it in size medium. It's honestly driving me crazy that none of the online tags have prices, so I will have to have all that information listed below in the description box. They're calling this color cream. I think I would love this with white this summer, some light wash denim. And another square neck style. I feel like all of this was packed with similar items. Top from Time and True. This is under $10. I love the color on this. It's definitely a ribbed fabric, but it kind of has a seersucker look to it. I could easily throw this top on with a pair of Time and True shorts that are under $15, and you could have a whole look for under 25 bucks. Okay, I feel like I have an unusual amount of denim jackets in a summer unboxing haul, but this one from Scoop was so pretty, I couldn't pass it up. It is an ombre style, but I'm gonna say it has that same awesome stretch like the Time and True one does. I did get this one in a medium, and I mostly picked this up because I loved how they had it styled on the website with a pair of ombre shorts, which I do already have from Scoop. So that's how I'm planning on styling this jacket, especially for a cooler, balmier night. So I love the look on that one. Y'all, I pre-ordered this dress from Scoop. And actually, by the time this video goes out, I should have already put out my budget dress video. So if you're interested in seeing more styled dress looks from Target, Walmart, and Amazon, I will go ahead and link that one below. It is a spaghetti strap style. The straps are adjustable, by the way. It does have a cutout in the back with this bow tie, and I love the white embroidered detail. And it has that same look on the hem. I think this is gonna be such a classic looking style. The fabric does also have a linen type look to it, which actually I have this same dress in red, and the fabric is totally different, so I really wasn't expecting that. But I think this is going to be the perfect summer little black dress. So this is the light wash version to the white jeans that I showed earlier. Again, I'm really hoping this size works since I committed and have now bought 2 of them. Fade and whiskering on these look very designer. They have that same awesome stretch to it. Again, a wide leg crop pair, so I'm expecting these to be very flattering. And I just love an off-the-shoulder top, so I had to order this one from Scoop. I did pick it up in black. I think there might also be a matching skirt to this. It does have a tie detail if you want to bring it in at the waist, but I think this is going to look awesome whether I want to just throw it on with a pair of shorts or if I want to dress it up for a nice dinner with a pair of jeans, maybe even a black heel. And I did get this in a medium. All right, you guys, we're getting down to it. Let's see what's in this big box. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this is 90% packaging, so it's a really good thing that I recycle all of this. But in this big box was this bright color swimsuit from Time and True. It is a tie style. There's a built-in bra. I thought the ruching on this looked really flattering. Plus, I love the color. I'm definitely planning on throwing that on with some white when I go out of town. And I did get this in a medium. I have several other Time and True swimsuits this year, and my normal size has worked just fine. Okay, and actually I'm really glad that I saved the best for last. I feel like I did also post this over on the community tab. Okay, so really a look with my sweatshirt underneath, but I think this is gorgeous. Another item that I think looks really designer. I probably could even wear it with the swimsuit that I have here. And I think the only reason I didn't notice this kimono sooner is because the product photo on Walmart.com does show the solid version of this. So it does also come in kind of a tangerine orange as well as a plain black. This one is group sizing. I did get it in a small medium. And this is another item that's awesome whether you want to use it as a cover up or you want to have it just a tank top underneath. And if I remember correctly, this item's also on rollback right now. All right, y'all, we made it. That was a lot of Walmart, but I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what's new at Walmart, as well as a sneak peek of what's gonna go in my upcoming styled videos. So if you love budget fashion, be sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, I'm gonna have everything that I showed today listed below in the description box. I would also love to hear in the comments which item was your favorite. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see y'all in the next one.